Hola estudiantes, bienvenidos a la semana. Hey students, welcome to week 1. Let's go over our agenda, basically the assignments and activities that you need to complete this week in week 1. So remember that anytime that you're looking at our agenda, if you see the green check mark with the word tarea or assignment, that means it's something that you need to submit to Blackboard. This can be helpful for letting you know what you need to submit as an assignment and what other activities are kind of on your own or help prepare you to submit assignments. So as you look at the week 1 agenda, number 1 is to complete the Start Here folder and read the course syllabus if you haven't already. Link right there to go to the syllabus in the Start Here folder. Number 2 is to watch some videos about Spanish language benefits, motivations, and ways of learning. This helps you prepare your own motivations and helps you reflect on why you are taking this class and learning Spanish. Number 3 is complete the activities in the folder about Spanish learning strategies. So that's where you complete this folder. You can pick and choose which activities are working best for you. It's okay to skip around and practice more activities. Practice activities more than others if you find them interesting or beneficial. So this helps you prepare your reading, listening, speaking, and writing skills and strategies for this class and beyond. After that, you share your learning with classmates in this class Padlet. What are some of the benefits of learning Spanish, your motivations for learning Spanish, and what do you think are some of the best ways to learn Spanish? You can add your ideas by clicking the plus signs there. After that, next up is to look at ways to start conversations and introducing yourself. So this folder has some activities from our textbook as well as some different videos and examples of how to introduce yourself in Spanish for this class, which is what you'll do in the first week. When you look at the tareas or assignments for the week, first up is to share some vocabulary that you are learning from this week. So here it's called a wiki, and how you complete this is you click this link and it brings you to a wiki. When you're ready, you click edit wiki content and then you add your words or phrases in Spanish, an example sentence in Spanish, and then your English translation there as well. It's okay to use translators and word references to help you with this. This just helps us generate a list of words and vocabulary that we are learning in this class. That is the vocabulary wiki. After that, you introduce yourself in the Flip video, so you can record yourself and introduce yourself on Flip by joining the topic here. And if you need instructions on how to do that, I've included a link, and I've also included a separate link in case that this spot of Flip doesn't work for you, or this Blackboard version of Flipgrid doesn't work for you. So also for introducing yourself, I've included some helpful sentence frames that you can use. And if you're not comfortable recording yourself, that's okay. You can just submit your introduction directly to Blackboard by clicking on this link and then creating a thread and writing your introduction. That's fine too, whatever you're comfortable with. Remember, you can use Spanish, English, Spanglish, or a mixture of languages for this assignment. Whatever level you're at or wherever you're at in the Spanish language is fine. The final activity for week 1 is a journal reflection. So this is completed by clicking on this link and then clicking create journal entry. Then you'll answer these different questions where you, number 1, share your first impressions and thoughts about this class. How are things going for you? What do you think about the class? Is there anything I can change that could help support you, or do you need any supports from me throughout the course? Number 2 is setting your personal goals for language learning, your motivations, and some of those aspects. And number 3 there, is grading yourself and the learning competencies. So basically, what grade would you give yourself at this point in the class based on these different learning competencies? These are the things that we'll learn throughout the course. For these journals, they go by points because that's the only option that Blackboard gives me. So to translate these points to scores or to grades, you can think of a 4 as an A, a 3 as a B, 2 as a C, a 1 as a D, and a 0 as an F. So go ahead and tell me your first impressions, complete this journal, and grade yourself at this point in the class. And remember, you can write in Spanish, English, or whatever language you prefer on this journal. So that is all of the activities and assignments for week 1. Remember, the 3 tareas with the green check marks are the things that you need to submit. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need any support with this. Hasta luego. See you later.